virtually. A very good morning to all. I'm very pleased to welcome you all to the 11th annual convocation of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Vistas, deemed to be university. On behalf of the Chancellor, members of the Board of Management, and on my own behalf, I am extremely happy to extend a warm welcome to the respected Honorable Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, Union Minister of Information, Broadcasting and Youth Affairs and Sports, for accepting our invitation to deliver the convocation address to our young graduates who have joined through virtual mode. Honorable Shri Thakur is a Member of Parliament for the fourth time from Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. He has previously served as the Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on IT and members of Public Accounts Committee. During 16th Lok Sabha, he was appointed as the Chief Whip Lok Sabha, becoming the youngest to assume that post. He also represented India at the Parliamentary Committee in WTO and Steering Committee. In 2016, he was commissioned as a regular officer in the Territorial Army at the rank of Lieutenant of the 124 Sikh Regiment, thereby becoming the first serving Member of Parliament to join as a regular officer. He was promoted to the rank of Captain in 2021. Honorable Shri Thakur is an avid sports lover and has contributed immensely to sports in the capacity of a sports administrator. Honorable Thakur served as the President of the Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association for 4 straight terms since 2000. His tenure saw development of 5 stadia in Himachal Pradesh, including the stadium in Dharmasala, which is considered as one of the most picturesque stadiums in the world. He also served as the President of the European Union India Parliamentary Friendship Group Parliamentarian Forum. Sir, you are gracing this occasion in spite of your very busy schedule of activities through virtual mode. Once again, I welcome you, sir, wholeheartedly. I extend a warm welcome to our beloved founder chancellor, Dr. Aisarike Ganesh, who is a visionary, whose dedication for the cause of higher education disciplines. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. V.G. Santosham, Chairman, VGP Group of Companies, Kalaimamani Thiru T.R. Salambarasan, the famous film actor, and Padma Shri Thiru T. Mariyappan, the silver medalist in Para-Olympics, the dignitaries who will be receiving the honorary doctoral degrees. My hearty welcome to the Pro-Chancellor Planning and Development, the Pro-Chancellor Academic, the Vice President of Wales Group of Institution, the members of the Board of Management, the members of the Academic Council, officials of the University, and the faculty members of Vistas. I extend a warm welcome to the graduates and their parents, the media representatives, and all other invitees who are present here and also attending through online, making this function a memorable one. I am happy to inform the August gathering that the university maintains a high growth rate, and currently there are 16 schools with 45 departments of study and research. The university at present has about 14,500 students and 710 faculty members, with a total of about 100 programs of study are being offered. All the UG and PG programs are approved by the respective statutory bodies. I am happy to inform that Vistas has been accredited with the A grade by NAC in 2019. 5 of our programs, namely BE Mechanical Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Marine Engineering, Bachelor of Pharmacy and Master of Business Administration, have received accreditation from NBA. Vistas has been accorded 12B status by the University Grants Commission, and Vistas has been placed in the excellent band in the Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements. Pharmacy has received 37th rank, Engineering 125th rank, and the university is in 101 to 150 band in the NIRF ranking. I would like to take this opportunity to briefly share with you a few selected achievements of Vistas during that period. In this convocation, a total of 4,249 graduates will be receiving their degrees. The vibrancy in research activities of Vistas is evident from the fact that during 2019-20, the faculty members have published 1,656 research papers in national and international journals, besides filing 29 patents. Nearly 87 books have been authored by the faculty members, and Vistas has received research grants from government funding agencies worth 3.77 crores. Vistas has number of centers of advanced research to support the research activities that are taking place in various departments. So during this period, the faculty members have attended 5,200 national and international conferences and presented 300 papers. About 152 national, international conferences, seminars and workshops were organized by various departments of Vistas. The university has signed 17 MOUs with institutions and industries. As a part of National Service Scheme, both faculty and students are conducting number of Department of Commerce has participated in Tokyo Olympics. Ms. Aishwarya of Department of Naval Architecture has won gold medal in All India Sailing Competition, and Mr. Vishal of the Department of Business Administration won the first place in 100 Junior Championship. In appreciation of the laudable service rendered by the Corona frontline warriors, the management of Vistas has introduced Wales Free Education Scheme for children of the police, nurses and sanitary workers with full tuition.
Honorable Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, to deliver the convocation address.
Thank you, Dr. Ishri K. Ganeshi. Am I audible? Mr. Chancellor, Pro-Chancellors, Vice President and Mr. Vice Chancellor, faculty members, dignitaries on the dais, graduates of the year of the Wells
and Doctor of Literature, Honorary Causa on Padma Shri Sri T. Mariappan, renowned sportsperson who have been duly recommended by the Board of Management for their contributions in the respective fields. And upon the 4,249 candidates who in the examinations held for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same, I request Dr. A. Jyoti Murugan, Pro-Chancellor, PMD, Ms. Preeta Ganesh, Vice President, and Dr. Aarti Ganesh, Pro-Chancellor Academic, to present the above said recipients for the award of honorary degrees.
August 15, 1935, in the lovely village of Alappapuram and grown in the warmth of his elder brother through V.G. Panirdas. The family situation hampered his education. The eldest son V.G. Panirdas then moved to Chennai and worked in a grocery shop to the family for its survival and maintenance. Later, along with the family, Dr. V.G. Santosam moved to Chennai. He and his brother, with their hard work and full devotion, developed their business and became pioneer in the business they have launched. During his young days, he started working as a paper boy of the popular daily newspaper Daily Tandi. We call it as Dinatandi. The brothers launched a scheme of installment system which was popular pioneer in those days, and it reached every nook and corner of the state of Tamil Nadu. New showrooms were also started and they attracted the attention of the public, and thereby they succeeded and captured the heart of people of various walks of life living in Tamil Nadu and nearby states. The Panirdas brothers, some 50 years ago, have launched a unique and innovative concept popularly known as VGP Golden Beach. Later on, it has become one of the important landmarks of the city of Chennai. The VGP Golden Beach has attracted young children and tourists not only from Tamil Nadu but also other parts of the city and even from abroad. A few years later, they have established Universal Kingdom, a theme park, Snow Kingdom, a play area for all age group, and an amusing park, that is Marine Kingdom. In short, the three letters VGP has become a household name to the people living in Chennai and the neighboring districts. For his hard work and his services, he has honored with the Kalaimamani Award in the year 2005 by the government of Tamil Nadu. Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. B.G. Santosam, an eminent scholar and social activist with a distinguished record of diversified services, has conceived and executed the innovative strategy of bringing together the experts, stalwarts in various walks of life to share their knowledge and skills for the better governance of social organizations. He was associated with special organizations such as literature, culture, arts, calamity relief, etc. He has written and published more than 100 books on various subjects of his interest. The honors and awards received by Dr. B.G. Santosam includes 1. Lifetime Achievement Award for his journey from a newspaper boy to a business tycoon by Daily Tandi. Lifetime Achievers Award presented for his extraordinary service to the Tamil language. Kavi Chakravarti Award by 6 university vice chancellors for composing 1 lakh poems. Kalaimamani Award in 2005 by the government of Tamil Nadu to honor his community services. Received Thiruvalar Award in the year 2015. A Lifetime Achieved Award was received in the year 2019 from the Parliament of England. Tamil Thai Award in the year 2020 and many more awards, rewards and laurels received because of his outstanding service rendered to the society. Dr. V.G. Santosam is a lover of Tamil and Tirukkural. He has taken several steps to spread out the words of Thiruvalluvar and his Tirukkural. He has arranged nearly 20 national and international conferences for highlighting the ideas given by Thiruvalluvar. He has donated and established nearly 122 Thiruvalluvar statues around the globe. We, Wales, also proud to say that we are also one of the recipients of the Thiruvalluvar statue by him, which is installed in the front of this Yuvalia auditorium. Mr. Chancellor, by reason of his eminence and attainments in the field of business, for his philanthropic work benefiting the society at large and service to the Tamil language and culture, the Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, VISTAS, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contributions in the field of business, to confer upon Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. B.G. Santosam the Doctor of Literature Honorary Causa, for which I request that he may be admitted. I request Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. B.G. Santosam, Chairman, VGP Group of Companies, to come forward to receive the honorary degree from the Chancellor of VISTAS.
was born on February 3, 1983 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu as the eldest son of multi-talented veteran T. Rajendra and Miss Usha Rajendra. He did his schooling at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School and Santhom Higher Secondary School and his undergraduation at Loyola College. Silambarasan Desingha Rajendra, also credited by his initials as STR or commonly known as Simbu, is an actor, director, writer, composer, dancer, music director, lyricist, and playback singer in the Tamil film industry. Mr. Silambarasan started his career when he was a 6-month-old baby when he appeared as a newborn baby in a film directed by his father. His father began molding him right from his childhood, and Simbu soon became a popular name in the film fraternity. As a child, he had acted in 19 films and was popularly known as Little Superstar. After many movies as a child artist and multiple special dance appearances, Mr. Simbu debuted as a hero in Kadal Azhivadillai in 2002, a movie directed by his father. In 2003, his movie Kovil, directed by Hari, received massive appreciation. In 2004, he made a mark for his acting and excellent story narration in Manmadan. Silambarasan proved that he is a worthy son of a worthy father when he directed the film Vallavan in 2006, in which he demonstrated his talents in story writing, screenplay, and dialogue writing, besides acting. He also dubbed for Slumdog Millionaire in Tamil. His 25th film, Vinay Thandi Varvaya, directed by Gautam Menon, released in February 2010 and went on to become a blockbuster. Through the movie, Simbu proved that he was not only a commercial hero, but also a versatile actor. Chekka Chivandabanam is another masterpiece in which Simbu had exhibited his exemplary performance and received tremendous appreciation from all quarters. Vinay Thandi Varvaya's Karthik, Vanam's Cable Raja, Poda Podi's Arjun are memorable characters for Simbu's fans and all movie lovers. Recently, his movie Manadu received stellar reviews and became a huge hit. Simbu's talents were well recognized with numerous laurels and awards. The following few are noteworthy. Kalaimami Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu in 2006, Filmfare Award for Best Actor Tamil for Vinay Thandi Varvaya in 2010, ITFA Best Actor Award for Vanam in 2011, and Saima Award in 2012. Mr. Chancellor, for his outstanding contribution and untiring dedication to the film industry as an actor, director, writer, composer, dancer, music director, lyricist, and playback singer, the Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Vistas, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contributions to the film industry, to confer upon Kalaimamani Shri T.R. Silambarasan the degree of Doctor of Literature, Honorary Causa, to which I request that he may be admitted.
That at the age of 5 of Mr. Mariyappan, today he stands before us standing as a live example. His physical education instructor encouraged him to try for a high jump during the school days. The first competitive event started at his age of 14, in which Mr. Mariyappan attained a second place among non-disabled competitors, for which he received encouragement from his classmates and others from his hometown. In 2013, his coach, Mr. Satyanarayana, supported by the Sports Academy of India for different able, noticed his performance at the Indian National Para Athletics Championships and took him as a student for further coaching. Mr. Mariappan cleared a distance of 1.78 meter in the men's high jump T42 event at the IPC Grand Prix in Tanzania, qualifying him for the Rio Paralympics. At the Rio Paralympics, he won the gold medal in the men's high jump T42 event with a leap of 1.89 meters. In Para-Asian Games 2018 in Jakarta, Indonesia, Mr. Mariappan has won the bronze medal in the high jump with a jump of 1.67 meters. In the year 2019, Mr. Mariappan cleared a distance of 1.80 meters in the men's high jump T63 event at the 2019 World Paralympics in Championship and bagged the gold medal. In August 2021, Mr. Mariappan won silver medal in men's high jump T63 category event at 2020 Tokyo, Japan, winning the second medal in Paralympic career. Awards and honors: recipient of Padma Shri Award in 2017, Arjuna Award in 2017, International Paralympic Committee Germany Award in 2017, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna highest sporting honor of India in 2020. Mr. Mariappan has made continuous and sustained efforts to make the country proud in sports. Considering his dedication, he has been offered a Group A post as a coach with the Sports Academy of India. Mr. Chancellor, because of his eminence and attainments, for his achievements and contributions to the sports in the country, the Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science and Technology and Advanced Studies, WISTAS, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contribution in the fields of sports, to confer upon Padma Shri Thiru Mariappan T. Mariappan a degree of Doctor of Literature, honoris causa, to which I request that he may be admitted. I request Padma Shri T. Mariappan, renowned sportsperson, to come forward to receive the honor.
by virtue of the authority vested in me as founder, Chancellor of ISTAS, I admit Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. V.G. Santosham, Chairman, VGP Group of Companies, to the degree of Doctor of Literature, Honorary Causa. I admit Kalaimamani T.R. Silambarasan, popular film actor, to the degree of Doctor of Literature, Honorary Causa. I admit Padma Shri T. Spokesperson to the degree of Doctor of Literature, Honorary Causa in this university. And in token thereof, you have been presented with this diploma, and I authorize you to wear the robe ordained in the insignia of your degree. Let the candidates be now presented.
வேல்ஸ் பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய 11வது பட்டமளிப்பு விழாவில் சென்ட்ரல் மினிஸ்டர் திரு அனுராக் தாக்கூர் அவர்கள் வீடியோ கான்ஃபரன்ஸில் வந்து அவருடைய பட்டமளிப்பு விழாவின் சிறப்புரையை ஆற்றினார்கள். இந்த விழாவில் 3 பேருக்கு ஹானரரி கரசா, அதாவது டாக்டர் பட்டம் வழங்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. திரு விஜி சந்தோஷம் அவர்களுக்கும் திரு டி மாரியப்பன் அவர்களுக்கும் இங்கே அமர்ந்திருக்கிற லிட்டில் சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிற சிம்பு அவர்கள் இன்று முதல் டாக்டர் சிலம்பரசன் என்று அழைக்கப்படுவார்கள். அவருடைய கலை பயணத்திற்காக கிட்டத்தட்ட 39 ஆண்டுகள் அவர்கள் கலைத்துறைக்கு பலவித விதத்திலே அவர் சேவை செய்திருக்கிறார்கள். அவர் குழந்தை நட்சத்திரமாக இருந்தபோது 6 மாத குழந்தையாக அவருடைய நடிப்பை தொடர்ந்திருக்கிறார். இன்றும் அவர் தொடர்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார். கிட்டத்தட்ட 50 படங்களை நெருங்கி கொண்டிருக்கிறார். அதற்காக அவருக்கு பன்முகம் படைத்த கலைஞர், அதாவது நடிப்பு மட்டுமல்ல, டைரக்ஷன், பாடலாசிரியர், பாடல் எழுதுவது, ஸ்கிரீன் பிளே, ஒரு திரைத்துறை எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா அதுல இருக்கிற அனைத்திலையும் அவர் ஈடுபட்டு இருக்கின்ற ஒரே காரணத்தினால அவருக்கு இன்று வேல்ஸ் பல்கலைக்கழகத்தில் டாக்டர் பட்டம் வழங்கியிருக்கிறது. அதில் நான் மிகவும் பெருமை அடைகிறேன். அவருக்கு இந்த நேரத்தில் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த பாராட்டுதலை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி.
குடியில் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். முதல்ல என்னோட நன்றியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன் வேல்ஸ் யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கும் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷ் அங்கிளுக்கும் எல்லாருக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னோட நன்றியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். மற்றும் என் கூட டாக்டர் பட்டம் வாங்கின இன்னொரு 2 பேருக்கும் ப்ளஸ் மினிஸ்டர் அவருக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். இது வந்து நான் என்னோடதுன்னு நான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது. இதுக்கு வந்து முழு காரணம் வந்து என்னுடைய அப்பா அம்மா தான். ஏன்னா இந்த ஃபீல்டில் வந்து சினிமாவில் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து இந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து எல்லாமே இன்னைக்கு நான் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா அது டைரக்ஷனாக இருக்கட்டும், ஆக்டிங்காக இருக்கட்டும், டான்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு இந்த குழந்தையிலேருந்து 9 மாத குழந்தையிலேருந்து என்னை நடிக்க வச்சு ஒன்று சொல்லிக் கொடுத்து என்னை இவ்வளோ தூரம் வந்து கூட்டிகிட்டு வந்தது என்னோட தாய் தகப்பன் தான். ஸோ இதுக்கு முழு காரணம் வந்து இது வந்து அவங்களுக்கு தான் இது போய் சேரணும். இப்படி ஒரு அப்பா அம்மா வந்து எனக்கு அடுத்த ஜென்மத்தில் கிடைப்பாங்களான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. ஸோ நான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்லிக்கிறேன். எல்லா குழந்தைங்களுக்குமே இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிடைக்கணும். ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு பிடிச்சதை வந்து பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு தட்டி கொடுத்து இவ்வளோ தூரம் கூட்டிகிட்டு வர்றது வந்து சாதாரண விஷயம் இல்லை. ஸோ அதுக்கு வந்து நான் இறைவனுக்கு எப்படி நன்றி சொல்கிறேன்னு தெரியல. ஸோ இதை முழுக்க முழுக்க என் தாய் தகப்பனுக்கு தான் போய் சேரும். ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ.